fastest way to lose motivation as a YouTuber is for you to spend hours scripting, editing, only for you to upload that video and YouTube is telling you, oh, nobody is clicking on this video, or you only getting 10 views after 24 hours. It sucks so bad. But let's be honest, here's the thing most people won't tell you about why your views are so low. If your videos are getting ignored by the algorithm, it's because you are making one of these 6 mistakes that I'm going to be talking about in this video. And if you are currently making these mistakes, I want you to stop right now. So you need to watch this video to the end in order to know what mistake you are currently making that is costing you low views. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to spend that much time scripting and editing only to be getting 10 views in 48 hours. It's really not ideal. So let's dive straight into it. The first mistake that you're currently making is probably your channel isn't verified and you probably didn't know that it matters. And no, I don't mean the blue tick kind of verification. I mean like you uploading your identity card in order for you to figure out that this account is not run by a bot, that it is run by a real person. You need to verify that. So in order to know if your account is verified or not, all you have to do is go to your Google Chrome and type youtube.com/verify. So if you go there and you check your status, it says phone number verified, your identity verified. That means your account has been verified. But if it shows that your number is not verified and your identity card is not verified, it might be hurting your channel. That's because there are so many AI channels now. YouTube wants to differentiate between a real person and AI. So before you post anything on YouTube, ensure that you verified your account. It only takes about 60 seconds. I have verified this account that you're watching me right now. In fact, I verified it on the very first day that I created this channel. And mistake number two that I see a lot of people making is you are not giving value, you are just posting stuff. And when I say this, a lot of people assume that I'm talking about educational content. You don't necessarily have to like be teaching people something on YouTube in order to give value. Value can be anything. Value can be entertainment, it can be education, it can be whatever your audience perceives as value, as long as you're not doing like recycled content that at the end of the day does not make sense, or AI generated content that people cannot get value from. Value can actually be entertainment. If people are coming on your channel because your channel makes them laugh or your channel is funny, it is value. Value is not necessarily does not necessarily have to be how to do something, how to do this. It can be entertainment. People that post vlogs, they post relatable content because people can see themselves in those people. That is value to your audience. So if all you do is like post only AI generated contents that at the end of the day your audience is just going to be like, why did I watch it? What was the point? I'm not saying AI content can work, but AI content can work if you're also adding your own value. Maybe it's your unique voice, your editing, your scripting, just something that makes you different from all the AI generated content out there. So here's what I want you to do the moment that you upload a video. Watch it back yourself and ask yourself, if I were to be on the other side, if I was the audience, what value did I gain from this video? Or what value would I gain from this video? Then also leave a pinned comment on your channel. Ask people questions. Oh, what did you gain from today's video? What challenges are you currently facing on your channel? Just leave a comment. This is not just you being nice. This is you telling the algorithm that, oh, I'm part of this ecosystem, so you need to push my video. Now, mistake number three that I see a lot of people making is you are posting and ghosting. Like, no way. Don't post and ghost. Engage with your own content, engage with your community. If somebody drops a comment immediately, please respond. You're not a celebrity, especially when you're on YouTube. You need to be humble, girl. Like, people are not fangirling on you, so if they ask you question, you better respond. Do not just post and ghost. Switch up to another email and go and watch your own content and push, like, in fact, hype yourself up on your other channel so that YouTube algorithm is going to like, oh, this person is also part of this ecosystem. They're going to push a video like, oh, if this person is commenting, this video must be good. Mistake number four that I see a lot of people doing is they are not optimizing their video correctly. A lot of people do not even know what SEO is. If you don't know what SEO is, I already made a video about it, so you can go and watch it now. But a lot of people want to upload vlog and it's just like my daily routine, what I did today. Like, it's all optimized. The algorithm cannot specifically say that, oh, this is what this video is about. The first thing you need to do in order to optimize your video correctly, first is changing your file name. Second thing is optimizing your title for search. The third thing will be like having a clickable thumbnail. Fourth thing will be putting your tags and hashtag and also your YouTube description, ensuring that it contains the right keywords so that the algorithm can pick it up. You also have to have like niche clarity. I always tell people this on YouTube as somebody who has experimented with this and had to like take one for the team. Do not experiment too much on your YouTube channel. I know that everybody's like, oh, it's just YouTube, you can post anything I want. But I'll tell you for a fact that YouTube is a platform that really like niche. Like, it's the best platform that you can niche that. YouTube likes niched content like mad. Like, if you love posting skincare content, better stick to skincare content. If you don't optimize your videos, YouTube will have to guess every time who this content is for, which at the end of the day might not benefit your channel in the long run, because sometimes YouTube algorithm does not want to do like the long work. They just want to be like, okay, we already know who this audience target is, and we are just going to push the videos to those people. And if yours is going to take a while, they're just going to push your video down. And at the end of the day, your videos might not get views because it's drowned in YouTube videos. Mistake number 5, and thank God that I'm making this video because I almost made this mistake, is your channel is new and you're rushing it. If you have just created a channel today and by today you already uploaded like 5 videos, YouTube algorithm is going to think, oh, is this a spammy account? Why is this person pushing too much videos at the same time? So my best suggestion would be for you to like chill first. Like, wait, do not rush your videos. Maybe upload like every other day and let YouTube algorithm like pick up your content first. And also engage with people in your niche and engage with channels in your niche. Comment, like, so that YouTube algorithm will know that, okay, this account is not a bot, we can start pushing the video right now. And also, if you just created your new channel, ensure that your channel banner, your channel name, your channel description, everywhere is well optimized, so that YouTube does not mistake your account for a bot or a spam account. Mistake number 6 is also very similar to mistake number 1, and is uploading too much too often. Like, YouTube, sometimes I've noticed this on my channel, which is why I'm currently taking a break. On my first channel too, there was a time I tried like uploading every single day, and at the end of the day it did not benefit my channel. It is one day that I got so exhausted and I did not upload that YouTube picked up my video, and that video really did so much well. And since that time I stopped uploading every single day, because sometimes YouTube algorithm also gets overwhelmed. Like, if you have like too much videos to post, YouTube the algorithm does not know which one to focus on first, like to push. But if it gives it time, YouTube algorithm is able to like, okay, let us push this video to this audience. If they resonate with it, then we can now come back to this person channel and push another video. But if there's too much videos at the same time, you need to be like, okay, which one should we push at this time? So it might actually hurt your channel in the long run. So if you are just starting, I would suggest uploading every other day and not every day for a while, until you are sure that YouTube algorithm now knows who your target audience is. Then you can now start uploading every single day. So if you found this particular video very helpful, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up. Of course, leave your thoughts in the comment section.